We've all been there before, watching that looming deadline for a filing slowly approach, dreading the day it finally comes. But it doesn't have to be that way. All it takes is a few simple things done early in the process, and you'll say goodbye to stress and hello to success. Without further ado, here are the 3 best practices you can use in Workiva to ensure a less stressful filing. This one seems like a no-brainer, but make sure you know who's in charge of filing, and that person will need specific roles to file successfully. For quarterly and annual reports, those roles include the appropriately named filing role, along with the XBRL manager role to generate a new set of XBRL files. And for all you Section 16 filers, you'll need roles specifically labeled Section 16, and those are Section 16 Filer and Section 16 Access. The last thing you want to do on filing day is hunt down someone with the right roles to complete your filing. So make sure you have a backup ready to go, just in case the original person's great aunt Gertrude is getting married that day and can't file. Get all this stuff ironed out early on, and you'll be just fine. Take 10 minutes to test file a week before you live file. There's no limit to the amount of test files you can submit, so do it early and do it as many times as you want. You won't break anything, we promise. We guarantee you'll love the extra time you get back on filing day. When starting a new reporting period, mark a milestone as early as possible on your copied files from your last filing. This provides historical context and a quick and easy reference for any links, comments, or all the things. It'll save you a bunch of time from sifting through what could be thousands of revisions. And generating an XBRL validation on your copied files will also achieve a similar result. And there you have it. Watch your stress and anxiety on filing day melt away by using these 3 best practices, turning those oh crap moments into oh yeah moments. Happy filing from Workiva.